Today we're visiting Akaka Falls State Park, and it is located in Hawaii, Big Island. Akaka Falls State Park has two waterfalls and an amazing rainforest for beautiful pictures. The ocean was beautiful. We visited a goat farm, selling fresh goat milk while you can pet them. We ate at Mr. Ed's bakery, bought locomoco, homemade jams, and icy with homemade passion fruit flavor, and took pictures along the way. Hawaii looks kind of cloudy, but it's actually kind of hot and humid in July. The entrance fee is $5 per person for non-residents, and for Hawaiian residents it's free. Parking is $10. This is such a small fee for the lush 65-acre park. My camera cannot capture the beauty of the rainforest. We're walking through a tropical forest on our way to go see the Akaka Falls. This place is super tropical. You can hear the rushing sound of the water. You have a little pond and you look up and there is the bamboo making a canopy. On the left side you see the banyan tree with its roots coming from the top branches coming all the way down to the pond. Wow, look at all the roots coming down from the tree. I think this is what Tarzan uses to fly around the jungle, which is where we're in, jungle-ish. The park is really well paved with stairs and walkways because it's relatively easy to visit. Akaka Falls State Park is one of the most visited state park on the Big Island. The fall is 442 feet high. The free-falling waterfall tumbles straight into a gorge below. With green vegetation all around the waterfall, this is the best place to take a picture. We are at the Akaka Falls, hanging out. Raining, I know. Okay, I'm gonna take a shot. From the viewing area, you can view the waterfall and hear the water roar. Up, watching the Akaka Falls. It's right there behind us. And there's lots of people walking around. And it's raining. It's a great place to snap lots of photos. Plant lovers will enjoy all the varieties of tropical plants and trees you see on Akaka Falls Trail. And you can't leave a waterfall without taking lots of pictures, especially pictures of drinking the waterfall. We are leaving the Akaka Falls. It's raining cats and dogs. Okay, feels really cool. Alrighty, this is the, I'm gonna go 360 degree so you can see the scenery around this place. Yup, beautiful, beautiful place. Heading out. There's some altitude. We need to climb up to leave this place. Being rained on is a good thing. Now I feel cooled down because it is so humid here. Being rained on, it's feeling like a mist of water dousing on yourself. Yep. There's a Kahuna Falls, but we couldn't see it because it was covered by all the trees. This tree has such long vine falling from the tree. The smaller waterfall. Look at this giant tree with its branches falling in the water. And it goes across to this side. We are driving around the coast and looking at the ocean, and we came across a goat farm that sells fresh goat milk. And you can also pet the goats in the goat farm. At this area, it looks like the ocean is higher than the land itself. It looks really beautiful. I don't know why, and I can't explain why, but it's really pretty. Goat therapy. The doctors are in. Free pet goat petting area right there. This place overlooks the ocean. So wild turkey walking around. Mr. Ed's Bakery. Homemade jams, jelly, ice cold drinks, ice cream, gifts, food, snack. Okay, let's check it out. Everything looks sold out. We got a ube bread. Also got a local moco to go. The ube bread was actually really good and fluffy. Almost like a Hawaiian bread with ube inside. This is what a local moco looks like. Looks like breakfast. They have so many different flavors of homemade jams from the tropical fruits on Hawaii Big Island. They let you taste test. There's various different kind of sauce to try. I'm going to try the passion mango. Good. Try the lily ko ai. I use the opposite side. My family member really liked the local moco. She said it was delicious. Yum!
I mean, the patty is so tender and the gravy is so flavorful.
Yeah, the patty is tender and the gravy is flavorful and the egg is so soft. I feel so hot. This is unbearable. I need to have icy right away. Mr. Ed's Bakery Shave Ice. We got the one flavor and we got lilikoi, homemade lilikoi flavor, which is another name for passion fruit. My shaved ice is being made. Wow, look at that. And they're gonna put this, what kind of sauce is this again?
Lilikoi.
Lilikoi sauce. The homemade lilikoi sauce. What is the lilikoi again?
Passion fruit.
Oh, passion fruit. Wow. Homemade passion fruit lilikoi sauce. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you. This is a giant lilikoi ice cream.
Mommy
Okay, I'm
didn't
gonna
give me
try
a
it.
fork.
Passion fruit lilikoi. So delicious. Homemade from Mr. Ed. Thank you. Cut.
Mommy didn't give me a spoon.
The lily koi shaved ice, their homemade passion fruit sauce was really good. It's really yummy. After this, we went to Laupahoehoe Point Beach Park. This park is located on a peninsula of lava from the Big Island's northern coast. It was once the site of a Hawaiian fishing village. In 1943, a tsunami killed 19 school children and 5 adults. Tragically, on April Fool's Day, the park served as a memorial to the victims with their names and ages engraved on a rock. This beach is very beautiful. However, we were kind of tired and we were going to head home after we take some pictures. And after we went home, we were trying out some of the fruits that we got from the farmer's market, which is the fruit called longyan. It's kind of like a dragon eye. I'm eating the longyan that I bought. Let me see what it tastes like. Super sweet. Really good. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you next time.